Right, this is a cabin tour of 5016 here on board Norwegian Star. This is a tap, although it's already open. Let's go ahead and head on in. So first, as you come in, you're going to see Norwegian Star. You'll have the little deck plans there, and then all of your safety muster station information. So in the case of an emergency, this is where you go. You go to muster station B on deck number 7. You do have your life jackets up here, just in case, if you ever need them, and some storage, which is nice. You even have yourself a safe for just in case you ever need to lock your stuff up. So, big closet and even more life jackets up there. And this is a 3-person cabin, so in the case where they pull down that bunk, there is the ladder. And a few cubbies down there as well. It's a little creaky and squeaky, but she is an old gal, so keep that in mind. But she's a very, very nice ship so far. My first impressions of the ship have been very good. So that pulls up, surprisingly. Some water, just in case you do have to pay for it though. So keep that in mind. Storage right here. And a couple more drawers. Let's go ahead and head on in to the bathroom. This is a huge bathroom. I was actually very caught off guard and impressed by this. So first off, it's like split into 3 sections. Not only do you get this little divider here, but this is a huge shower for cruise ship standards. Don't wear your socks in the shower, kids. But this is huge. And you got your body wash, shampoo. Oh, speaking of that, I forgot that. It's like the one thing I forgot, I think. But towels up here on the rack. And then, of course, into the throne room. So you can have your little double time action if you need to. But it's a good suck out of the toilet. Always very nice. So interesting that I thought the color of the wood changes here. It's like 2001, 2024. Interesting. But decent sized TV. Again, it's an older ship, so you're not going to have the giant smart TVs like you're going to have on ships like, say, the Aqua or the Luna. But here we go with some of the light switches here for the rest of the cabin. They have a European plug and even some USBs, which is nice. So they are sort of getting with the times. And then the old school telephone. We've also got a big mirror here as well. So if you need to like full body length mirror. And of course you got yourself a desk. You got your old thing there. Regular plug. Another European plug perhaps. A switch for that. And a couple more things here with more storage. And if you need to, pull this out and use this as a desk. Get yourself a little ottoman to sit on. So you're gonna find 2 beds, or you can put them up into a king-size bed. And then a bunk bed, so that does fold down into that 3rd one. So you got your nightstands on each side. So in the case of it being a king-size bed, it would be on each side of the ship or the cabin here. And then of course just your standard, got yourself a light and then a USB-A plug, so the old school USBs. And then same thing over here on the other side. Here we go up into, let's climb up here. Spidey skills. And ignore the Cybertruck. But we got ourselves a nice ocean view cabin here on board the Norwegian Star. Thank you all so much for watching today's cabin tour of cabin 5016 here on board the beautiful Norwegian Star. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a like and stay tuned because our next video out will be a full deck by deck tour from top to bottom of this amazing ship. Thank you for watching.